Installing NVIDIA drivers the wrong way? Stop. Here's the best way to install only what you need. No bloat. First, download NvCleanInstall. Go to site link in the description. Why use NvCleanInstall? Removes unnecessary components, avoids telemetry, and reduces background processes. Run NvCleanInstall. Open the software and select the latest driver version. Choose Minimal Installation. Keeps only the core driver and PhysX. Uncheck extra features like GeForce Experience, telemetry, and HD audio if not needed. If you're using a laptop, keep Optimus Hybrid Mode enabled. Perform a clean install. Enable. Perform a clean install removes old driver traces. Click Install and let it complete. Restart your PC for the changes to apply. If use DDU, display driver uninstaller in safe mode if switching from AMD to NVIDIA. Now you have a clean, optimized NVIDIA driver. Like and subscribe for more tech fixes.